Something like 2 hours ago, I got these earphones into charging, and right now you can see that the blue light is on. Right now, I also can connect the earphones to Bluetooth, and I can listen to songs and uh, answer to phone calls, and everything is good as long as it connects to charging. But it just the earphones just said charging is completed. So I'm take the charger off, and you can see that the blue light was gone. And the problem is, okay, so the problem is that no matter how many moments and how many seconds I press on the buttons, the earphones can't turn on again when it's not connecting to charging. Look, let's wait a few seconds. I press on the middle button and the light doesn't turn on. I tried everything. It's obviously can't connect to Bluetooth because the earphones doesn't turn on, so I can't use them, and I need to correct the problem. So I ask for a new pair of earphones, please. Thank you.